Hello everyone, Chris here from Midwest Coaster Friends, bringing you another Orion update. Please hit that subscribe button for future content and future uploads, and hit that bell notification button so you know when our new videos drop down. And right now, let's go ahead and go into the update. Coming from the Kings Island webcam on Orion construction. Obviously, the park's closed during the week, so this is where we're getting our updates from. And you could also go online if you go to visit kingsisland.com, click explore, and you will see the link to that camera there. As you can see, a lot of construction equipment was going on at 9 o'clock in the morning. Had a little bit of a glare from the actual sunlight, so we did a little bit of record on it. And we definitely saw the progression on the middle part of the, in between the platform. You could definitely see it as well. So there's definitely progression on the middle part of the platform in between the station to the maintenance transfer track area. Obviously, the roof has not gone on the actual roller coaster yet. And it is going to look similar to what we see in the area right now, which is on Flight of Fear. So as you can see, there's a lot of progress being made on the station into the transfer track maintenance area. And the first piece did go into the station the other day. You'll see that at the end of the video, which means that vertical construction will be starting on the first hill, also known as the lift hill. So that will go up 287 feet tall. And as soon as we're able to get out there, which would be next weekend, we'll be able to give you an update. But you can definitely see at the very back is where the poles are at, and also the motor's at for the initial lift hill motor. So that's definitely in place as well. And they were doing some testing early morning on the racer, not sure why. But anyways, yeah, there's definitely a lot of updates being done. The reason why we're pushing these updates every Tuesday and Friday is because a lot of progress will be made. Unfortunately, like I said, the park is closed until next weekend, so we can't go on the Eiffel Tower and give any live updates. But the great part about it is I could definitely give live updates of what's going on from the webcam for you guys while the park's closed. So we'll always have live updates, but I hope to give a live update from the park next weekend for sure. If we don't get it next weekend, we'll definitely be doing it during Haunt. So you definitely have something to go by. But yeah, definitely check that out. And I just did a progression to see what was going on throughout the day, and obviously they are making a lot of progression on it. I don't see much being done today during the day, because obviously they have to add in the steel beams and so forth, and all the support for the actual station and the maintenance transfer track area. So I believe when we do the update coming up here this Friday, we definitely will see possibly the first vertical poles going in place, leading up to the 287-foot lift hill. And as you know, that would be the first of many hills. I think as soon as that first lift hill goes up and the first drop goes up, I think we see progression all over the construction area. I think we are going to see more than just, what's happening right now. They have to get that maintenance area done first, so that's the first initial part, and it helps the rest of it flow a lot easier. And you'll see here in a second, the first piece of steel beam track was put in place for the actual ride. Obviously, the other parts were just for the transfer track area, so they are focused on getting that main steel track in place first, and then you'll see other work going on. But that is a picture from Kings Island PR on that. And that concludes our update. Please subscribe to our channel, like I said, for future content. Also, it lets us know that you guys are supporting us in the community. And look for another update coming out on Friday. And until next time, this is Chris signing off for Midwest Coaster Fans.